Welcome to the Reading Forest. Today we're going to be reading The Mouse Family ABC by Rosalind Sutton and illustrated by Pamela Story. A. A is for apples, all the red and good to eat. So Archie, Daisy, Don and Flo fill their baskets for a treat. B is for ball. Mice are having fun. Don throws the ball and Daisy bats. The others have to run. C is for clock. The mice can tell the time. They listen as the clock strikes 1. They like to hear it chime. D is for duck. She dabbles in a puddle. Don tries to count the baby ducks but gets into a muddle. E is for engine. It goes around the track. The mice will like to have a ride. They go forward, they go back. F is for frog. It sits upon a leaf. It sees the mice are watching it and jumps off with a leap. G is for garden. Flo makes her garden grow. Moss at her feet, a toadstool seat, and flowers in a row. H is for hat. The mice go to the park. They put on boots and coats and hats, then play until it's dark. I is for ice cream. The mice like this a lot. They all laugh as Daisy says, "Why can't we buy it hot?" J is for Jack-in-the-Box. Don wants to look inside. The Jack jumps out, Don gives a shout and runs away to hide. K is for kite. The mice are holding tight. For higher, higher up it goes, it's almost out of sight. L is for letter. I'll read it out, says Don. An invitation out to lunch. They put their best clothes on. M is for magician. He makes a magic spell. When it goes bang, the mice hide from the smoke and nasty smell. N is for net. Don takes his net and line down to the riverbank to fish. He hopes the day stays fine. O is for otter. Flo hides behind a tree. The otter dives and swims about. The others come to see. P is for penguin. The mice go to the zoo. Don likes the way the penguins walk. Flo watches what they do. Q is for queen. She wears a golden crown. She sits upon a royal throne. The other mice bow down. R is for rabbit. He hops around the grass. Don tries to run and catch him, but he hops away too fast. S is for the sea. It seems to touch the sky. The mice sit on the sandy shore to watch the ships go by. T is for toys. The mice are in their room. They play with teddies, tops and trains, and bang a drum. Boom, boom. U is for umbrella. The rain falls pitter-patter. But underneath the mice are dry, so they just sit and chatter. V is for violin. Don plays a merry tune, but the other mice all like to dance beneath the silvery moon. W is for wings. The mice all try to fly. They run and flap their tiny wings, but cannot reach the sky. X is for xylophone, an instrument to play. The mice make merry music as they tap and tap away. Y is for yacht. Don sails out with his crew. The other mice all hold on tight. Don shows them what to do. Z is for zigzag. The mice all love to ski. They climb up the slope, then zigzag down, as happy as can be.